Good morning and welcome to a new video. I'm Sophie and today I'm doing a little hike and I'm in the village of Mølle, which you can see back there, and it's nice. I've just stopped for a minute here at a lovely viewpoint. It's gorgeous. You can see all the way to Denmark over there. I'm going to be doing some landscape photography, and I'm going to be hiking up to the top of the hill here and a little bit beyond. There's a lovely lighthouse up there, which I want to get some photos of because I've never actually photographed it, even though I've been here a lot. And it's just before sunrise now, and it looks very misty and cloudy over the horizon, but you can see there's a nice break in the clouds here, so here's hoping for a really good sunrise. I think it might be. So let's do a little hike. I'm basically walking through this park right in the middle to get up to the lighthouse area. There's lovely cliffs on either side of this, I don't know if you can even call it a mountain, but I suppose it's a small mountain. And you can basically go either here or just continue along this middle road and go to the other side. You can walk. You can hike the cliff route as well from the village and get to some really nice swimming spots and fantastic for photography. So this is a really lovely area. I don't normally come here in the winter, but I'm hoping for some good photos today. It's quite good because it's just a normal route you can drive all the way up as well if you have a car. Which right now I wish I did because I'm kind of running late for sunrise. So I better get a move on. I don't know if you were able to see that back there, but the sunrise is just spectacular. It's really beautiful light going on up there. Oranges and yellows and pinks and blues, and the clouds sort of dispersing around about it, and I am not even on location yet. I am so gutted. Definitely planned this excursion very poorly. It's taken me almost an hour and I'm not even there yet. You can see some of the glow there behind me, and I think I'm going to miss it completely. If there is still clouds in the sky, but if I'm totally unlucky, they might have dispersed already by the time we get up there. So, such a bummer. There's the lighthouse. You can see it behind the building there. But check out the sky. It's definitely a good bit colder up here. And very windy as well. When I was down there, it was really calm. So I went from being very warm to cold. swooping in. So, goodness, I don't even know what kind of photos I can get up here now. But at least I got a really good height. Oh my goodness, it's so cold up here. It's freezing. I think my hands are, I'm starting to lose feeling in my hands. I don't know how long I'm going to be able to keep this up. I just wanted to catch a few shots before the light is going entirely, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to manage to get anything nice at all today. Ever needed a hot drink so much in my life. It's like we're in the Alps here or something. It's that cold up here. Okay, probably not. Yes, so friends, this is what happens when you don't plan enough and you don't scout out a location properly before you head out. You get stressed and you do a bunch of things that you wouldn't normally do. And my hands are so cold right now because I actually left my gloves on the bus, which of course was incredibly stupid of me. But things happen. But you live and you learn, and it's never dull. That's for sure. Landscape photography is never dull. So I found this little path here below the lighthouse, and it goes down to some cliffs at the bottom here, so it looks really nice. I think I'm going to head down there and try and get some shots because it looks really beautiful, and especially like I kind of feel like I need to make this this trip today worthwhile, so I can at least get a couple of photos that I'm happy with. So I did get a nice, quite a nice vertical picture here of the lighthouse with some of the cliffs in the foreground. I'll show you that now. Hopefully it turned out okay. Got some nice cliffs down this way, and these rocks here beside me. There's like there we go. And these rocks here, there's quite a bit of different coloured moss, like green moss and white moss, and I think I'll try and get some photos of that because that can look really beautiful and really detailed with the landscape in the background. I'm really glad I came down here to these beautiful cliffs. They're there's also a little mini lighthouse down there, which I've taken a few photographs of. Really beautiful cliffs there as well. I hope you like the photographs as much as I do, because I was very happy with some of these last ones I took. They pretty much saved my day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you aren't already, so you can follow us on our photography adventure.